In this class, we will learn how to provision or create a digital assistant instance in our Oracle Cloud account. So before we go ahead and see how we can provision an instance, we will see the documentation for the same. As we had learned in our previous class, how we can navigate to this docs.oracle.com, that is for Oracle Digital Assistant. So once we land into this documentation page, there is a section called as provision. You can pick on this provision over here. Oracle has mentioned in detail the steps which we have to follow in order to provision the instance. Basically, there are two type of licenses available for which you can create or provision a digital assistant. Basically, it's a subscription models and the shapes like we are creating for the development or for production. So development is a lightweight option which is geared towards the development work. The production option is selected for the actual production instances of ODA in comparison with development tier. This option has the higher rate limits and greater database capacity, which will enable the more insights data to be collected. So accordingly, if you are creating an ODA instance for development, so don't forget to select the appropriate share. Basic other things Oracle has mentioned, like how we can navigate from Oracle Cloud Dashboard landing page to the AI and analytics, then select this resource and select the compartment, and that's it, provided you are having appropriate roles in order to access or provision the instance. So with this knowledge, we will provision a digital assistant instance. I will go to the navigation menu and I will click this analytics and AI and then the digital assistant. So you have to select the appropriate compartment and make sure you are having the access to create the instance in this compartment. So if you are the admin at the appropriate policies, you can have a look at this IAM details over here, role-based access and identity domain, and add the policies so that you can get access to create the digital assistant instance. I will click on this digital assistant instance creation, select the compartment and name over here. I will name this as my ODA instance. So you can provide as per the naming convention followed in your project. Coming to the share, I'm creating this for development purpose. So this will have a lower insights rate and database capacity internally. Accordingly, how to select the shape. For more details on the pricing, you can go to the OCI pricing portal or the website and you can have a look at how Oracle charges for the digital assistant instance. If I want to view the details upon creation, I will give over here, and description if any you can provide, I will give the same name over here. Basically, you can tell for what purpose you are creating this instance so that the admin might know for what purpose it is available. Unnecessarily they won't delete or kill the instance. Suppose if you want to add the tag that is for the better time or for the billing purpose, you can add the tag over here. I won't add the tag. I will just click on create. So with this, it will create the digital assistant instance. So it will take couple of seconds or minutes in order to fully provision your instance. Once the instance has been created, you will see the instance list over here under the list of instances in the digital assistant. By the time you watch this class, if the UI has been changed to Redwood, nothing to panic. Most of the things will be same, just the location will be varying as per the Redwood theme. So currently at the time of recording this class, this page is not redeveloped to Redwood. So I will click on the instance, one of the instances, that is the development instance. Here basically we will get the runtime request, error responses, all this basic information. Now the next question comes, how we can access the console. So in order to access the console, one method is you can copy the base URL from here, copy and paste in the browser tab, and you can launch the Oracle Digital Assistant instance. Other method is we can just click on the service console. I will click on the service console. It will ask for the user. I will select the user with which I am trying to log in. Once you provide your information, username and password, it will take you straight into the Oracle Digital Assistant dashboard page. So using this instance, you will be able to start the development. We can create the skills, assistant, channels, stores, events, go to the settings and configure the details like the additional services, authentication services, documentation, analytics, and in the home, you will get the glimpse of everything available. So this is how we can provision our Oracle Digital Assistant instance, and we can navigate to the service console, that is to the ODA instance where we can actually develop our ODA digital assistants or the skills.